to apply the Hostinger coupon code and get a huge discount. And the best part? You don't need to type any code at all. Alright, let's go. First step, click the Hostinger coupon code link in the description. Yes, that link. And boom, you instantly get extra 20% discount on all Hostinger plans, web hosting, cloud hosting, VPS, everything. For this video, I'm selecting web hosting so you can clearly see how much you save. Now watch carefully. Scroll down and choose your plan. You'll see best, popular, etc. Just pick what suits your needs. Super simple. Click choose plan and boom, you're on the order summary page. Important part, billing period. Choose a longer duration because Hostinger does not offer discounts on renewal. So the longer plan you pick today, the more money you save. Smart choice, right? You'll also notice the 20% referral discount is automatically applied. That means my link worked. Click continue. Now create your account. Use a fresh email. This is very important. If your email was used before, you won't receive the discount. So use a new email, set your password, and you're good to go. Complete the payment, and that's it. You just claimed the Hostinger coupon code India offer in barely 2 minutes. Too easy. Love you all.